I knew something was wrong, but I didn't know what. I'm Lee Bennett, I'm 52, and I live in Goroeswr. I work for a big company as an engineer, and I play golf as much as I can. I've got a family, married with a 14-year-old daughter, keeps me in check. I suspected something, but I kept putting myself down to, well, I'm not ill. I don't feel ill. I had a normal life, got on with things. I just didn't think, well, it can't be that. And within a week, I'd gone into and to be checked out. Asked him straight. I said, "What do you think it is?" And that's when they told me after the biopsy that it's a malignant tumour. And at that time, I knew in my head that being positive all the way through would help. Because I was positive, it kept me ready for what was going to come with the operation. I had 6.5 hour operation on my bowel to remove the tumour. I came out of the operation, went into the high dependency unit for 24 hours. I was doing well. The next morning, Lucy came to see me and she said to me, "I can't believe you've just been through an operation." I said, "Neither can I." But I had focused that I wanted to get back playing golf or getting out, being normal as soon as possible. For about five weeks after that operation, I decided to go to the driving range. Golf is really social. Old or young, but you will still all get together and enjoy it. And I have got a good social friends group that I bother with, and that meant a lot to me to get out and start playing golf. I told them how I was doing, and the support from them was great. From reporting to my doctor to meeting up with the colorectal nurses in the endoscopy unit, from the moment of me going into hospital to coming out, every single one of them knew what was going on. Every single one of them told me what they were going to do next. So I can't thank him enough. Anything you feel that is different, anything you feel isn't right, don't be embarrassed to go and one, speak about it, either to your partner or whoever. 2, go and see a doctor. I never went to the doctor, ever. But now I'm so glad I did.